Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to calculate ages right inside Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn any list of birth dates into clear, accurate ages, no more guessing or reaching for a calculator. Whether you're managing class rosters, planning an event, or just organizing your family data, this will save you tons of time and help you avoid mistakes. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by entering your data. In column A of your Google Sheet, type out the names of all the people you're working with. For this example, we'll use Alice, Bob, Charlie, Diana, and Ethan. Just put each name in its own row, starting from A2 downward. This keeps things nice and organized, especially if you need to expand your list later on. Next to each name in column B, add their birth date. Now, a really important detail here, make sure to use the YYYYMMDD format. This is the international standard, and it helps Google Sheets instantly recognize that you're dealing with dates instead of random numbers or text. For instance, if Alice was born on June 15, 1995, you'll write 1995-0615 in cell B2. Don't worry if your spreadsheet auto-formats or it looks slightly different. Google Sheets is usually pretty smart about this, but it does help to keep the format consistent. This will prevent any strange calculation errors down the line. Alright, now comes the magic. We want Google Sheets to figure out each person's age based on their birth date. To do this, click into column C right next to the first birth date. Here you'll enter a special formula, equals DATEDIF B2 today. Why? What's happening here is DATEDIF measures the difference between two dates. B2 is the person's birthday today, pulls in today's current date, and Y tells the function to return the difference in full years. In other words, it's calculating how old this person is, just like you would if someone asked their age right now. Once you press enter, you should see a number show up. This is the person's age in years. But you don't have to repeat this step for every single row. Simply select the small blue square in the bottom right of the cell where you just typed the formula and drag it down as far as you need. Google Sheets will automatically copy and adjust the formula for each row using the correct birth date. This makes it super efficient, especially if you've got a long list of people. And if you ever add more names, just drag the formula further down. If you want to get a bit fancier, maybe for a birthday countdown or a more detailed age report, here's a little bonus tip. You can calculate the exact age in years and months. Hop into column D and type equals DATEDIF B2 today, Y in years, and DATEDIF B2 today, YM in months. This way your sheet will show, for example, 27 years, 3 months, which gives a lot more detail at a glance. Perfect for things like milestone planning or school admissions where age and months can matter. And there you have it, your own automated age calculator right inside Google Sheets. If you run into any snags, don't worry. Sometimes dates can be a little finicky, especially if you accidentally add extra spaces or use the wrong format. Just double-check those details and you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tricks. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.